4 fresh tomatoes cut in quarters, 400 grams tinned plum tomatoes, 3 minced garlic cloves, 2 diced onions, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Start by blending the fresh tomatoes. Then add the oil into a hot pot. Add the diced onions and saute on medium heat for about 5 minutes or until golden brown. Add the minced garlic and saute until fragrant. Then add the blended tomatoes and stir a little. Then blend the tin of plum tomatoes. And add it into the pot. Rinse the blender with a little bit of water and add it into the pot. Then stir. Add the tomato paste and stir well to combine into the sauce. Cover and let it cook on low heat for 30 minutes until the sauce has reduced and become thicker. 1 diced courgette, 1 diced pepper of your choice, I've used the yellow one, and 10 sliced mushrooms. Add 2 tablespoons of oil into a hot pan. Then add 1 minced onion and 1 minced garlic cloves and saute on medium heat until translucent. Add the vegetables and stir a little. Then cover and let it cook on low heat for 5 minutes or until soft. Then add the mushrooms and cook until soft. Add the salt to your liking. Add the black pepper to your liking. Add half a teaspoon of paprika. Add half a teaspoon of Italian herbs. And stir well to combine all the ingredients and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, stir a little, then cover and set aside. 500 grams of beef mincemeat, salt to your liking, black pepper to your liking, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of Italian herbs. Then, with your hand, mix well to combine all the spices to the mincemeat. Roll into small balls, cover and let it rest in the fridge. After 30 minutes, add salt to your liking into the tomato sauce. Add black pepper to your liking. Add half a teaspoon of paprika and 1 teaspoon of Italian herbs. And to reduce the acidity of the tomato, you can add 1 teaspoon of sugar, but it's optional. And stir well all the ingredients. Cover and let it cook for a few minutes. Meanwhile, add the spaghetti into a pot and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then cover with boiling water and cook until al dente or soft if you prefer. Then drain the pasta without rinsing it. Now add 2 tablespoons of oil into a hot pan and fry the minced balls on high heat. Add 1 tablespoon of butter for more taste and cook on all the sides. And when cooked, set aside. After 30 minutes, the tomato sauce is cooked and you should end up with a thick sauce. Add the cooked minced balls into the sauce and stir. Then add the cooked vegetables and stir well to combine all the ingredients. Then add the cooked spaghetti into the sauce and stir until evenly coated. And finish by adding the grated cheese and stir until all melted. Then serve hot and enjoy.